Chapter 2. Food Preparation and Preservation. We will learn about food, various nutrients, balanced diet, food preparation, tips of food preparation, avoiding food wastage, food spoilage, food preservation. Food. Any substance consumed to give nutritional support to the body is known as food. It carries certain vital nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Food is the basic unit of life. Need of food. We all need food to survive. We eat various kinds of food items in various seasons. It gives us energy to work and play. It helps us in growing, developing and maintaining body tissues. It keeps our body healthy and strong. Various nutrients. Let us know about the various nutrients of food. Carbohydrates. They are the vital source of energy. Hence, they are also known as energy-giving food. They help our body to regain and restore energy and work in an efficient way. The sources of carbohydrates are wheat, potato, sugarcane, banana, rice, bread, etc. Proteins. They help in the growth of our body and repair the tissues. They work as building blocks and help to form hair and nails. Hence, they are also known as body-building food. The sources of proteins are milk, eggs, fish, meat, pulses, etc. Knowledge hunter. Added sugar is a disaster. Vitamins. They are responsible for growth and maintenance of our body. They also help in better eyesight, immunity, blood clotting. They are required by our body in small quantity. We need to eat A, B, C, D, E, K vitamins. Our body can make only vitamins D and K. So, other vitamins must be included in our diet. Milk, cereals and fresh fruits are sources of vitamins. Knowledge hunter. Vitamin D is essential for our bones. It is available to us free of cost through sunlight. Minerals. Minerals make our body and teeth strong. They also form blood. Calcium, potassium, iron, sodium and iodine are a few examples of minerals. Fats. They give more energy or calorie per gram than any other nutrient, but it is more difficult to burn. Excess of fats leads to obesity. Sources of fats are nuts, butter, ghee, milk, etc. Roughage. It is the fibrous material in fruits, vegetables and wheat flour. It helps in bowel movement and keeps our body constipation free. It is not a nutrient. Water. Although it is also not a nutrient but a vital part of our diet. It is helpful in digestion of food and removes waste from our body. We need to drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Knowledge hunter. 75% of the human brain is water and 75% of a living tree is water. Balanced diet. A diet which contains all vital nutrients such as proteins, fats, vitamins, carbohydrates and minerals along with water and roughage in proper amount is known as a balanced diet. We should try to take a balanced diet. Milk is known as a complete food as it contains all the essential nutrients required by our body. Knowledge hunter. The word cereal is derived from the name of the Roman goddess of agriculture known as Ceres. Food preparation. Usually we eat food as cooked or uncooked. We eat fruits and some vegetables as raw while we eat cereals and pulses after cooking them properly. We cook food using various methods such as boiling, baking, frying, roasting, etc. Cooking of food destroys germs present in them. We should not overcook the food items as it can destroy essential nutrients. Tips of food preparation. We should use clean utensils for cooking food. We should cook food only in a clean and germ-free kitchen. We should always wash the vegetables before cooking them. We should always cover cooked food to keep it safe. We should ensure cooking pulses, crumbs, rice, vegetables, etc. in the same water in which they are soaked, as it contains vitamins and minerals. We should cook food at right temperature. Avoiding food wastage. It is a universal fact that we all need to eat food in our daily life, or else we will not be able to survive. We get food in our plates due to the farmers who sweat in the fields to grow food for us. There are millions of people who spend their life as undernourished and they do not get sufficient food to eat. Hence, it is our moral duty not to waste food items. Food spoilage. Food spoilage is the process where a food product becomes unsuitable to ingest by the consumer. Foods that are likely to spoil, decay or become unsafe to consume are known as perishable food. We should not consume spoiled food as it may lead to food poisoning and other serious illness. Knowledge hunter. Air or oxygen also leads to food spoilage. Food preservation. Food preservation is a way of preventing food from getting spoiled. It involves the prevention of growth of bacteria, fungi, or other microorganisms. Let us know about various methods of food preservation. Canning. In this method, the food items are processed and then put into cans. The cans used for canning are sterilized and made germ-free. They are also airtight to prevent oxidation. Various fruits and vegetables are canned. Drying. Here the water content of the food is removed or dried to stop the growth of bacteria. Drying makes the food moisture-free and increases its shelf life. Boiling. It is a simple way of preserving food. Here the liquid food items are preserved. We boil milk to keep it safe for a longer time. When we boil food items at high temperature, the germs get killed. Salting. Some fruits, meat, fish and vegetables are preserved in the form of pickles by adding common salt on them. This method keeps them safe for a long time. Salt is an example of a good preservative. Pasteurization. Using this method, the milk is boiled at a very high temperature and then this temperature is brought down. The same is repeated and this variation of temperature prevents the milk spoilage. Freezing. This method involves keeping food items at a low temperature. Refrigerators are used to preserve fruits, vegetables, eggs, breads, milk, etc. as germs do not grow at a low temperature. Sweetening. Besides salt, sugar is also a good preservative. Mangoes, apples, guavas, etc. are preserved as candies, jams and jellies. Sugar helps preserve the color, texture and flavor of food. Knowledge hunter. Dehydration is one of the oldest and simplest methods of food preservation. Keywords. Basic, fundamental. Obesity, the state of being overweight. Nutritional, related to nutrition. Moisture, wetness. Preserve, to keep safe from getting spoiled. I should remember, any substance consumed to give nutritional support to our body is known as food. We eat various kinds of food items in various seasons. Carbohydrates are the vital source of energy. Vitamins are responsible for growth and maintenance of our body. We need to drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Usually, we eat cooked and uncooked food. We should always cover food to keep it safe. Food preservation is a method of preventing food from getting spoiled. Milk is pasteurized at a low temperature.